can do it. I'll come back this way. Yes, he's a good boy. Look, they've all made it, sort of. At least they're out in the sunshine and moving their legs in a more proactive way instead of wrestling with each other. Uh-oh, incoming. Oh yeah, go down round that way. That's a good idea. Come on, Dimitri. Woody's like, have you got anything to eat? No, I haven't. I haven't. I'm not the food service at this precise moment in time. It's out with my hours. Yeah. Look at this. This little detour. Tanner's Crescent is working quite nicely, but everybody's run back inside. Come on, Woody.